Hi, my name is Ben. I'm interior designer of this house.
Hi, my name is Eugene. Welcome to my house.
The theme of the house will be modern contempt. Okay, for my favorite part of the house, it will be the conceal door that separate the room with the living and the other room lah. So it will be more of a privacy for the owner.
The favorite part of the house will be here in the living room, where after a day's work, I can just come back and relax and enjoy the soft lighting and the feel and the relaxing feel of the whole house. Ben was very helpful, and together with his teammate Brandon, they offered many useful advice. And even at times when I was like unsure of what I wanted, they will be very quick to provide suggestions and show me certain themes and to see whether I like it or not, and then they will just put that into the plan, and they're always open for discussion, for changes as well. Oh yes, definitely. They have been very helpful, so they're very proactive, and also more importantly, the workmanship and the quality of everything that has been done has been very good, so I definitely will recommend them.
Hey!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.